Welcome, phone.
Samsung phone. Hooray! Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Social media, websites, and applications that enable users to create and share content or to participate in social networks. Now, if something happens to you and you don't post it, did it really happen? This is the take on the saying if a tree falls in the woods, a 1930 call. 3 to 1 go. Phone. No. Elm ice cream truck, and guess what?
What? Hooray!
Hooray.
Goodbye.
Or maybe just half of it. No. Anyways, go to your sleep right now. That kids should really car luxury acting his age, but at El Haver my $1 million. I'm going to put it somewhere where ice cream truck won't get TP it.